Good morning, it's me again, back at Hemus 2026, it's day 3, and today we're kicking off the day with an interesting company called Sheild AI. Now Sheild AI are an American-based company, and they are very, very active in Ukraine and also some other parts of the Black Sea area, having just successfully provided these to the Romanian Navy, okay, or one of their platforms. Right behind me, if you come over here, you're going to see an aircraft called V-BAT, okay. Now this is an ISR platform, so intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance. And it's vertical takeoff and landing, okay, which is extremely unique. These are being deployed very heavily in Ukraine for the ISR capabilities, and we believe there is actually going to be a kinetic capability coming soon. So cameras, or the heavy camera payload and the ISR payload, is probably going to be replaced with something that goes bang sometime soon. Now the interesting thing about these, really from a deployment point of view, is they are very, very similar to the US Predator drone. The main difference is this one is VTOL, so it's vertical takeoff and landing, doesn't require any kind of airfield. It's also around about the 10th of the cost. And when you've got an operational environment like Ukraine, where we know UAVs are going up and being shot down, being used all the time, they are going through hundreds, if not thousands a day, the cost makes a huge difference. The other thing about this is this can actually be packed up into the back of a small transit van, and it can be deployed by 2 guys in 30 minutes and launched. When it's launched, it's got a capability of up to 12 hours worth of flight and 300 kilometers of range. This gives an awful lot of bang for the buck. It is also fully integrated with other systems, including other aircraft, as we got here from the Bulgarian producers, and various other kinds of sensors, UGVs, UAVs, and I suspect coming soon, based on the Navy connections, there's going to be surface and subsurface integration as well. Come and have a look at these guys, they're really doing great stuff. It's also worth noting that most of their team in Ukraine is made up of former veterans, including those that have been injured. So these guys are more than just supporting the war, they're giving back to the guys that have actually put their effort in and really put their lives on the line to keep their country and Europe safe. So please guys, come and give these guys some support, come and see them on the public day, come and have a look at what they're doing, and give them a big, big, big push, okay? Please share this video, let everybody know about what these guys are doing, and see you very soon.